Now, any questions?
Ooh, I have one.
Yes, Granger?
Could you explain how Muggle chemistry applies to magic? I mean, magic doesn't really make sense. We just utter badly mangled Latin, and chemical reactions occur. Could you perhaps...
Granger, I won't have that rubbish spewed in my classroom. 20 points from Gryffindor.
But...
Granger, shut your ungodly lopsided mouth and sit down. 20 more points.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
Hermione, do you think you could explain to me and Ron how Muggle light bulbs and tie-dye work? It's for Muggle studies.
Sure, Harry.
Sup, guys? So I heard you talking, and I'ma listen, 'kay?
Oh, hi, Sirius. Just in time for the lesson. ACU Internetus Diagrammus. So, before we talk about the light bulb, we'll review how atoms emit light. A collision with a moving particle excites the atom. This causes an electron to jump to a higher energy level. The electron then falls back to its original energy level, releasing the extra energy in the form of a light photon. When a bulb is given a power source, such as through a battery, there is a flow of electrons through the wires in the tungsten filament. The electrons collide with the atoms of the filament, exciting the atoms to produce light. In order to produce visible light, the filament must reach extremely high temperatures close to 2,200 degrees Celsius. Because of this, tungsten is the best filament material because it has a high melting temperature of 3,422 degrees Celsius. To prevent combustion at this high temperature, all the air is removed from the bulb to create a vacuum. Now, tie-dye is quite different from the light bulb. In tie-dye, finely reacted dyes attach permanently to cellulose fibers using a covalent bond. When you tie-dye, you first have to pre-soak the garment or fabric in sodium carbonate. This raises the pH level of the solution the garment is soaked in to about 10.5. This raises the level of negative hydrogen ions in the solution, thus aiding the dyeing because the chemical bonding process uses these ions in the reaction. So guys, did you like my presentation? Oh.
Harry, you should pay attention, bro. Chemistry is very serious business. It's vital to our everyday lives. Sirius, let me ask you something. Why so serious?
To jump to a higher energy level. The electron falls back to its original energy level, releasing the... Oh, goddammit.
하늘의 나의 땅까지 빛에 후스타 이미지가 내 옷을 불어도 I spit you fall down. Jesus got no